Is your computer running slowly? Does it take forever to start up? Does it just act weird? It might be a repair costing hundreds. It could be a virus or malware that can really cause you problems. There is a slight chance you have some hardware in your computer causing it. I have seen it all in my 10 plus years of solving computer problems, but I have a solution. Before you take your computer to the repair shop, follow my 7 simple secrets to make your computer run faster first. Here's the best part. It's free, it's simple, it's safe. Just go to remotetechassistance.com for free step-by-step instructions on what to do. That's remotetechassistance.com or click on the link in the description below. How's it going, everybody? Today I'm going to show you how to use PowerPoint to test any dead pixels in your monitor. Now, to create a dead pixel tester is easy. You will need 3 slides so that it will loop through this RGB cycle. First, we will want to do the first slide and format its background. In order to do so, we will want to right-click on the slide and click on Format Background. Then the menu will pop up. Over here, you will want to click on this little fill color and click on More Colors instead of using one of the presets. And here's why. Because for all of the RGB colors, we will want to, for the first one, use 255 for red only. Click OK. And now we have the first slide red. Now, any of the titles you see on screen will not appear, therefore it'll only just be the color background. Next, we will want to go to the second slide and do green. Same thing, format background, color, more colors, and zero out red and blue so you only have green as your color. Finally, do the third slide. This will be our blue. So zero out red and green. And now you have a blue slide. Now, we're not done just yet. We want to make sure this goes through a quick loop and that it loops over and over again until you hit the escape key to stop. So we will want to click on Transitions. And over here on the right, you will want to uncheck on mouse click and check after. Now we want to modify the time to, let's do 0.25 seconds for now. Additionally, you want to click on Apply to All so that this whole process will work on all the slides. Now, to make sure that it loops over and over, we will want to click on Slideshow. And under the Setup portion of this menu, you will want to click on Setup Slideshow. And then down here, you will want to click on Loop Continuously until Escape, which means it will loop over and over until you hit the Escape key. So we will want to click that and click OK. And now we are ready to test this. Now, I decided to move over to the phone instead of record the whole screen because this next part may be seizure inducing. So do not watch this portion if you are prone to epilepsy. But other than that, to start this, you will want to click on From Beginning up here at the top under the slideshow. Or you can press F5 on your keyboard to start it as well. So we're going to click From Beginning. And there you go. Now this will loop on over and over until you hit the Escape key on your keyboard. So that's how you use PowerPoint to determine if you have any dead pixels in your monitor. So if you think you have any, feel free to create this PowerPoint presentation in order to determine it. Thank you for subscribing. Please be sure to like this video and check out some of my other videos too.